Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let's discuss how to fix Apple Wallet not loading problem on your iPhone. First of all, let's start with the basics. The first fix that I would recommend you doing is restarting your device, because sometimes a simple restart can fix some temporary software glitches on your iPhone that could be connected to your Apple Wallet. Now the second solution for you is that you have to force close the wallet application. That means that you have to open your Apple Wallet application and you want to swipe up from the bottom of the screen to the middle. And now let's close the wallet application. So simply restart your wallet, your Apple Wallet application. Next fix is that you have to check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection or mobile data are stable connections. You can turn off and then on again your Wi-Fi data to basically refresh your connection to make sure that there are no issues connected with your internet. And last but not least is you can check Apple's system status page. So go to browser and search this page that's called System Status, Apple System Status. And here you can see on this page, overall, you can see some outages for Apple applications, and you can look for Apple Pay. If there are some global outages for Apple Pay and Wallet, you will see them right here. But as you can see, for example, in my case, there are no such problems. So yeah, you will see them right here. As you can see, you can expand this list, and let's find Apple Wallet additionally, or simply Wallet. Yes, here it is, Wallet, and it says that it's available. So after completing those steps, I really hope that your Apple Wallet is now loading and it's working. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.